Welcome to Showroom Insider, your ultimate destination for in-depth automotive reviews, exclusive car features, and the latest updates from the world of luxury and performance vehicles. In this video, we're taking a closer look at the 2025 Mercedes-Benz S-Class, a flagship sedan that continues to define what true automotive luxury means. From cutting-edge technology to superior comfort and performance, the 2025 S-Class raises the bar in every aspect. The exterior of the 2025 Mercedes-Benz S-Class exudes elegance and presence. With a slightly redesigned front grille, sleek LED headlights, and a more sculpted profile, the car looks more refined and aerodynamic than ever. Its long wheelbase and flowing lines contribute to a sophisticated appearance, while options like a panoramic sunroof and 21-inch alloy wheels further enhance its appeal. The signature rear LED taillights and chrome accents complete the high-end look, making it instantly recognizable on any road. Under the hood, the S-Class offers multiple powertrain options, including a 3.0-liter inline-six turbocharged engine with EQ boost, a 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8, and a plug-in hybrid variant. All versions deliver smooth, powerful performance and impressive acceleration, supported by the brand's 9G-tronic automatic transmission and 4MATIC all-wheel drive system. The ride quality is unmatched thanks to the Airmatic suspension system, which adjusts automatically for comfort and handling. Inside, the 2025 S-Class is a masterpiece of luxury and technology. The cabin is wrapped in premium materials such as Nappa leather, real wood trim, and brushed aluminum. The massive OLED touchscreen in the center console integrates the latest MBUX infotainment system, offering intuitive controls, voice assistance, and augmented reality navigation. The 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster is fully customizable and delivers real-time information with stunning clarity. Rear seat passengers enjoy executive-class comfort with available reclining seats, massage functions, ambient lighting, and even individual entertainment screens. Active noise cancellation, a Burmester 4D surround sound system, and advanced climate control ensure a peaceful and luxurious journey for every occupant. The new interior design emphasizes both functionality and elegance, blending physical controls with digital innovation seamlessly. When it comes to safety, the S-Class is packed with advanced driver assistance features. These include adaptive cruise control, active lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, and even a new level of autonomous driving capabilities. Mercedes-Benz continues to push the boundaries of vehicle intelligence and occupant protection. Whether you are being chauffeured or behind the wheel, the 2025 Mercedes-Benz S-Class delivers an extraordinary experience. It combines timeless luxury with the latest automotive technology, maintaining its position as a benchmark in the luxury sedan segment. If you enjoy detailed car reviews like this and want to stay updated on the newest models, don't forget to subscribe to Showroom Insider. We bring you the most insightful content from the world of high-end cars, so make sure you hit that subscribe button and stay connected.